There's a new trend for dog owners.
Butt bling.
And it's a disturbing new trend.
Butt bling.
You're close.
Glitter on the balls.
Yes, it is.
I've seen it somewhere. Like, who does this?
They're using cornstarch.
Who is grabbing their dog's balls? Or do they just fucking like, hoo-pow!
I don't know. They're using edible glitter, and they're using cornstarch to apply it. So if the dog licks it, there's no problem. I thought maybe it was going to be like, well, we don't neuter our male dogs. This is a way to show off his balls. What grooming salon? It's like, I got a great idea. Glitter on the nuts.
I just don't understand.
You want to see a picture?
No, I don't want to look at dog nuts. That was interesting.
Da-da-da! Where there
Fuck,
it
I
is.
looked at
That's
it.
the first one.
Why does a dog look like it has two tails? What's the point? To draw your eyes towards the nuts?
I don't know. Look at it. Oh, what's this doing? Pop-up's in the way. They're trying to block us from showing nuts. You can see them.
They're still there.
You can see them.
Why?
You can see the nutsack.
I'm going to bling out my nutsack.
There you go. Bam! Bling it out.
Great, now I'm looking at him.
I don't know who starts this trend. Why it's become a thing.
Look at the poor
This
fucker.
doesn't hurt the dogs. No. Just dousing their balls in corn syrup and edible glitter makes them feel so much better.
Who looks at glitter, cornstarch, and dog balls and be like, this is a good combination?
Somebody that has very...
Can you get that off
I'm
there?
getting it off.
I don't look at dog balls anymore.
It's going back. It's gone.
Look,
Oh, it's still there.
see, look, that dog looks like it has two tails.
Oh, no, I gotta go back down here.
So, I mean, I guess you could, like,
Oh my god, it does look like he has two tails. Look at this shit.
maybe they want to take the distraction away from his weird deformity. Don't look at his two tails. Look at his balls. His golden balls. I mean, they look... I mean, kind of like dude balls.
Dude balls. No, dude balls. Oh my god.
What is people's problem?